Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone. When you make mistakes, what happens? People come at you and tell you to shut off, get off, never do it again. You the first bastard, the first piece of shit ever been on this planet Earth. No, that's not true. When you make a mistake, you get over it and you try again. When you stumble, when you fall, you stand up, you rise up, you get better. Because failure makes you great. A failure makes you a great orator. By failing, you become the greatest speaker that has ever born. But there is none such. Because even the best are shit. Even the best make mistakes. Only difference is in the speed, how an advanced speaker and a beginner, they come out from the failure. So a master speaker makes a mistake but does not care. One just continues the topic. It does not affect the outcome or the presentation. It looks natural. But the beginner maybe starts stuttering, forgets what one was saying, says, "Excuse me," but no. When you make a mistake, just act as it's a natural thing. And it's normal. I make mistakes. I make so many mistakes. I even sometimes forget the topic that I'm talking about, and I still get going. I just go on. And eventually, I do a roundabout, and I'm back on the topic, back on the theme. And here's a really powerful technique if you want to improvise your speech. To speak out your mind. Don't just speak out your mind. Oh, today is a beautiful day, the sun is shining and mosquitoes are biting me. No, don't speak out your mind, but you need a postulate, proposal, a question. For example, my question was, what happens when you make mistakes while speaking? So here I am, presenting you the theme, the topic, and I can rumble off to some other topics, but eventually I will come back. And this is a proven technique. It works on everyone. You need a theme, a topic, a question that you can solve and answer. Because when you are presenting something, you are trying to make the world better. Speaking is not about the speaker. You are not speaking for yourself. You cannot be so dumb, so egoistical. I'm speaking because I'm just have to like to speak. No, I'm speaking because I have a greater mission than me. I am presenting the great thoughts that are flowing through me to the audience. An audience can be a singular person as well, or a dog. I know a woman who knows how to speak to dogs. How different tones, different manner of speech affects the psyche of the dogs. She's great in that. And she's able to teach it. She's able to give presentations about speaking to dogs. That's great. That's an ability. And the person is in service to other people or in service to her animals. Speaking is about presenting a great idea and giving it to the audience, that they could be inspired by the words and activate the strength in themselves. Because listening happens through resonance. When I am speaking, the vocal cords in your neck are vibrating in your throat. You feel the resonance. So do I. We are resonating beings, and we are tuning to each other to become greater. But sometimes we have some strange agendas to satisfy some strange needs, etc. And then people begin to worship that strange need. But if we strive for greatness, the greatness of the soul, the infinite power of a human body, we can share the insights with each other and become stronger, greater, and make mistakes on our way. Because while I make a mistake and I learn from it, and I share my mistake to you, you do not have to do that mistake, or you can be aware that we make such mistakes and you are not afraid anymore. So many people are afraid that they will make mistakes when speaking out their mind. But if you know that we all make mistakes, then it's no problem. Then it's just a cause of being brave, a cause of speaking out. A cause of speaking is making a mistake. And when we are excellent at making mistakes, we become great speakers. Because we just love our mistakes. We are waiting when I shall stumble once again and say something stupid, be silly. Oh, what do they think about me? I'll give you another tip. If you don't want to care about the opinions of other people, then start making offers. Make an offer to all of your friends on Facebook. I am doing this thing. Would you like to be part of it? I'm solving this problem. Make more offers and you can't care less. Actually, I hope you enjoyed this topic. Subscribe and check out the 8 great exercises for the voice. Have a good day.